Well, brother donated some of his tin, and I think what we're gonna do, yesterday I got the J-molding on both sides and paper up, so we're gonna figure out how we're gonna do the tin underneath the soffit. When I figure it out, get a few sheets on, I'll let you know. We'll have it on the time lapse, but we'll see how things go. Alright, so we got here, we just got it tacked up temporary until we get the flashing in. We were out of end wall flashing, so below that there's going to be 40 inches of boards all the way across, and then the bottom will be tin. So I'm not sure how that's going to look, but kind of like that. But we may paint the metal. It's all going to be painted anyway, so it'll be basically a gray, dark gray, and a light gray. I think about making some flashing for that short section. We might just make use of this stuff here. We got it, we might as well use it. Alright, if I figure out what I'm doing, I'll let you know. So, I think I'm going to try this for my flashing. I did use this before. The nice thing about this is pretty much free. Let's see how this works. Much as of that yellow stuff or harvest gold stuff, because we're going to paint it anyways, and it'll take paint really well as opposed to the galvanized stuff.
So is this very similar to the stuff we put on the garden shed?
Yep, same idea.
Cute.
Or I was thinking, this is planning again, you gotta remember. But we might put an awning, even just an awning here.
Yeah.
Just to keep the sun off of
the window.
Off the window.
Yeah.
But I want to put a header here anyway, so we have the option later on if we want to do it.
Yeah, because we got to put the mechanical room in anyway.
Yeah.
That has to go in this year?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're putting the mechanical room on this year. Or this time, because we have to side this building, and there's no use siding it and then ripping it all off again, so we might as well get the building done. There's a flag. I don't think we're going to need the generator.
That's good. Why are you screwing those in the wall?
What I'm doing is putting a couple screws at this end. We'll put that up on the screws and then slide that end up in there so I can get it done. What I'll do is I'll get you to grab that end and hand it up to me.
I will.
But just be careful, it could fall off of them screws, so
Okay.
if it starts to fall, just let it go.
Okay. I'll pick up the stray paper and put it in the garbage.
How high we want the tin to be. We need some separation between the eventual roofing material and the flashing.
Nothing at all, eh? I think you had that one piece and you used it over here. Different bit. Ooh, you got to do the test too.